Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope so you all will be fine. It's me Samina Bashir, your English teacher. Today it's my 6th lecture with grade 4 and we are going to do simple past and past continuous tense. Okay students, so take out your English workbooks. Well students, it's your workbook page number 45. Mention date and day on the top of the page. Simple past and past continuous tense. Okay, first I will explain you simple past tense and after that I will go towards past continuous tense. Okay, so first is simple past. First look at the definition. It shows some action, work done in the past. For example, I ate an apple yesterday. Okay, it indicates that some action has done in the past. Okay, an action is completed in past. For example, I ate an apple yesterday. When did I eat apple? I ate apple yesterday. So simple past tense shows some action done in the past. So let's check its formation. Subject plus verb. Which form? Second form of verb we use in simple past tense. And object. Okay, subject, second form of verb and object. And she did her work. It's an example. She did her work. In this sentence, she is subject, did is second form of do and work is object. Okay, she did her work. It's an example of simple past tense. Now if you want to make negative sentence, what you have to do, you know that when we are going to make negative sentences we add not in the sentence. For example, subject plus did not plus first form of verb. Okay, when we add did not in the sentence we used first form of verb. Okay, subject plus did plus not plus first form of verb and object. So this example is she did not do her work. She is subject, did not is helping verb. Okay, and do is first form of verb, work is object. Okay, she did not do her work. And to make interrogative we simply add write helping verb in start. Okay, when we write helping verb in the start it will become interrogative sentence. Did in the start of the sentence plus first form of verb. It's a formation of interrogative sentences of past tense. Did plus subject plus verb plus object. Okay, did she do her work, and at the end we'll put full question mark. Okay, did is helping verb, she do her work and question mark. Okay, so it's the simple past tense that shows some action or work done in past and its formation is subject plus second form of verb plus object. And if we are going to make negative we add did not in the sentence and first form of verb. Subject did not plus first form of verb plus object. And to make interrogative we write helping verb did in the start and we use first form of verb in interrogative sentences as well because we are using did, that is second form of verb. Okay, now move towards past continuous tense. The action or work which was continued in the past. Okay, past continuous tense tells us that some action or work was continued in past. Okay, जो काम कोई past में जारी था. For example, I was eating an apple yesterday. It tells that some action was continued in the past. Okay, I was eating an apple yesterday. So let's see its formation. First form of verb plus ing plus helping verb was for singular and were for plural. Okay. uh, in simple past tense we use did as helping verb, but in past continuous tense we use was or were as helping verb. Okay, was used for singular nouns and were used for plural nouns. Okay, so subject plus helping verb plus object. Okay, and we use first form of verb. She was doing her work. In this sentence, she is subject, was is helping verb, do is first form of verb, and we use ing form. That makes it doing her work. Okay, she was doing her work is a sentence of past continuous sentence. To make negative sentence, what we have to do, we will add not, first form of verb, ing, present participle. Okay, subject, did not, verb, object. Okay, sorry, here we use was or were not, helping verb. Okay, we use was not or were not. So she was not doing her work. In this sentence, she is subject, was is helping verb, not is used to make negative, doing is first form of verb with present participle, and work is object. Okay, if there are plural, they, if I write here they, so I use were. Okay, they were not doing their work. So it's an example of using were in the sentence. Okay, they were not doing their work. We use were not or was not to make negative. Okay, so to make interrogative, you know that we write helping verb in start. In past simple past tense we have did as helping verb, but in past continuous tense we have was or were as helping verb, so we'll write in the start of the sentence. So formation is was or were plus subject plus verb plus object. Okay, so sentence is was she doing her work, was she doing her work, and at the end question mark. Okay, in this way we will make negative interrogative sentences of past tense and past continuous tense. Okay, so move towards workbook page number 46. Okay, on workbook page number 46 we have question, use the past tense form of the verb in bold type. Okay, here are bold type words and we have to write past tense. We arrive at the camp in the morning. So the past form of arrive is arrived. Okay, we arrived at the camp in the morning. As we get is first form, so we write past form got. So we got off the bus. We take, and its past is took. We took down all the luggage. 5 of us put, its past is same as put, up the tent. We first find, its past is found. So we first found a clearing among the bushes. Then the young ones sweep, and its past form is swept. Swept the ground, and we dig, its past is dug. And we dug a few holes and put in the tent poles. Okay, in this way you will write past form of bold words. Next is complete these sentences using the past continuous tense. Okay, I dash a book. I, you know that past continuous tense you use was or were and ing form. Okay, so here I is singular, so I use I was reading a book. Okay, Mr. Ahmed dash after the bus. Mr. Ahmed was running after the bus. We dash playing carom when the light was out. We were playing carom when the light was out. Rafi and his sister were reading when the bell rang. There are two persons, plural, so we use were. Fiza was shouting when the teacher walked in. Okay, Fiza is singular, so I use was shouting when the teacher walked. Okay, in next question, when did you last visit the garden or park? Use your sense and feelings to describe your experience using simple past and past continuous tense. Okay, you will write it of your own. Move workbook page number 47, and the question is, read the following sentences carefully and write SP for simple past and PC for past continuous. Here are abbreviations: SP for simple past and PC for past continuous tense. Okay, change them into negative and interrogative as well. Okay, first sentence is, he saved money for his future. Okay, you can see that here second form of verb is used, so it's a simple past tense. Okay, now let's make its negative and interrogative. He didn't save money for his future. Okay, he did not save money for his future, full stop. And to make interrogative, write helping verb in the start. Did he save money for his future? Here you can look that, you can see that in the given sentence second form is used, but when we add did not or did in the sentence, we write first form of verb, because we cannot use two second form of verbs in same sentence. Next is, they always misbehaved with others. Okay, here misbehave indicates that it's a second form of verb, so it's a simple past tense, so you will write SP for it. So they did not always misbehave with others, it's a negative. Did they always misbehave with others, question mark, it's a question. Next is, boys were making noise in the class. You can see here helping verb were is used and ing form is used, so it's a past continuous tense, so you will write PC. Let's make its negative. Boys were not making noise in the class. Okay, boys are plural, so we'll use were. Were boys making noise in the class, question mark, helping verb is were, so we will write it in the start of sentence, were boys make noise in the class. In this way you will complete sentence number 4 and 5. Hope so you will understand. Complete your work and inbox your images. Thank you.